Hi, Ryan Smith from Bahnhof Sport. Coming to you from Boyne Mountain at the 2016 MRA On Snow demo. Just had the chance to ski the new slightly tweaked Blizzard Brahma in a 187. This ski is primarily the same as years past, but they have a new additive called the carbon tip and tail. That is the same technology you saw come into their Bonafide and Cochise this year. I'm going to classify this ski as the Swiss Army knife of skis. This ski is about as versatile a design at 88 millimeters underfoot. It's got some rocker, wood, metal. This ski could really work for a very wide demographic of people in a very wide regional area.